Do you dream of making killer money as a TikTok affiliate? You're in the right place. Let's kick things off by demystifying affiliate marketing on TikTok. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Now let's talk TikTok. TikTok, with its dynamic and highly engaging platform, has taken the world by storm. It's not just a place for viral dances and funny skits. Oh no, it is a platform teeming with potential for affiliate marketers. You see, TikTok boasts a massive user base. We're talking about hundreds of millions of users worldwide, making it an excellent platform for marketing. Its users are not just passive observers either. They're highly engaged, interacting with content, sharing videos, and even making purchases based on recommendations from their favorite creators. When you pair this level of engagement with the power of affiliate marketing, you've got a recipe for success. By promoting products you genuinely love on TikTok, you can earn a tidy sum while also providing value to your followers. It's a win-win situation. But there's more. TikTok's algorithm is designed to push out content that resonates with its users. This means that even if you're just starting out, with the right content, you could reach a vast audience in no time. There's no denying it. The potential of TikTok as a platform for affiliate marketing is immense. The opportunity to tap into this dynamic platform and turn your creative content into a money-making machine is too good to pass up. Just imagine, with a few strategic moves, you could be earning big bucks from your TikTok account. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Before we jump into the how-to, let's clear up what affiliate marketing actually is. Picture this: you're at a party, and you're wearing a stunning new pair of shoes. Your friend admires them and asks where you bought them. You tell them, and they rush off to buy the same pair. Now, imagine if the shoe store paid you a commission for that sale. That, my friends, is affiliate marketing in a nutshell. In more technical terms, affiliate marketing is a strategy where an individual partners with a business to make a commission by referring readers or visitors to a business's particular product or service. But how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. You, as an affiliate, promote a product or service through a unique link given to you by the company. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gets a sale, and you get a piece of the pie. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make money online, especially if you don't have a product of your own to sell. It allows you to earn passive income, meaning you make money while you sleep, eat, or even while you're watching your favorite show. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to be a salesperson. You don't need to personally handle customer service or deal with product returns. All you need to do is to connect potential buyers with products or services they're interested in, and the rest is handled by the company. Affiliate marketing is also incredibly flexible. You can promote products from a variety of companies all at once, and you're not tied down to any single product or service. This means you can experiment with different things and find out what works best for you and your audience. Now that you've got a grip on what affiliate marketing is, let's see how you can apply it on TikTok. Ready to start earning from TikTok? Here's your step-by-step guide to becoming a TikTok affiliate. First things first, you need to choose a niche. This is essentially the category or topic that your content will revolve around. It could be anything from fitness to fashion, tech to travel. The key is to choose something you're passionate about, and ideally, something you know a lot about. Why? Because passion and knowledge shine through in content. And trust me, your audience will notice. Next, you need to find a product or service to promote. This should ideally be something that aligns with your chosen niche. For instance, if your niche is fitness, you might choose to promote a popular workout app or nutrition supplement. There are various affiliate networks you can join to find products to promote, like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Once you've chosen a product, you'll be given a unique referral link to share with your followers. Now comes the fun part: creating engaging content. You'll want to create TikToks that not only entertain and engage your audience, but also subtly promote your product. This could be through tutorials, reviews, unboxings, or simply incorporating the product into your videos in a natural, organic way. Remember, the key is not to come off as overly promotional. You're here to provide value to your audience first and foremost. Finally, you need to promote your referral link. This could be done in the caption of your TikTok, in your bio, or even verbally in your videos. Encourage your followers to check out the product through your link. You could even offer them a special discount or bonus if they use your link. And voila, you're now a TikTok affiliate. But remember, success won't come overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. Stay consistent, keep experimenting with your content, and most importantly, keep having fun. These steps will set you on the path to TikTok affiliate success. But how do you ensure you stay on that path? Next up, some top tips. Following the steps is just the start. To make killer money, you need to know these top tips. Now let's dive in. Our first tip is consistency. Consistency is key in the world of TikTok. You can't just post once and expect the money to roll in. You need to regularly create and share engaging content. This helps build your audience and keep them coming back for more. Next, let's talk about engagement. Engaging with your audience is more than just responding to comments. It's about creating a community around your content. Ask your followers questions, respond to their messages, and show them you value their input. This will build trust and loyalty, which will make your followers more likely to support your affiliate products. Now, on to leveraging TikTok trends. TikTok is all about the latest trends, and you should be too. Keep an eye on what's popular and find creative ways to incorporate these trends into your content. This can help increase your reach and get your content seen by a wider audience. Remember, the bigger your audience, the more potential customers you have for your affiliate product. But it's not all about following trends. You also need to stay true to your brand. If a trend doesn't align with your brand, don't force it. Your followers will appreciate your authenticity, and this will help build trust in your brand. Our final tip is about the products you promote. Make sure you believe in the products you're promoting. Your followers can tell if you're just trying to make a quick buck. If you genuinely love the product and believe it can benefit your followers, your passion will shine through and make your promotion more effective. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with these tips, you're well on your way to maximizing your TikTok affiliate potential. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to TikTok affiliate stardom. But wait, there's more. Before you set off on your TikTok affiliate journey, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid. These are the icy patches on your road to success, and being aware of them will help you navigate with confidence. First off, let's tackle a big one: promoting products that you don't believe in. It's easy to get caught up in the promise of high commission rates and forget that the essence of affiliate marketing lies in authenticity. If you don't genuinely love the product, chances are your audience won't either. Remember, your followers trust your recommendations. If you endorse a product that doesn't live up to its hype, it could harm your reputation and trustworthiness. Next on our list is the temptation to spam your audience with referral links. Yes, we get it. You're excited about earning that commission, but bombarding your followers with constant salesy content can be off-putting. It's like inviting someone to a party only to corner them with a sales pitch. No one likes that. Balance is key. Share your affiliate links strategically and in a way that adds value to your content. The third common pitfall is neglecting to engage with your followers. You're not just a salesperson, you're a content creator and a community leader. Your followers aren't just potential sales, they're your community, your tribe. Engage with them, respond to their comments, appreciate their feedback, and make them feel valued. Building a strong, engaged community will not only boost your affiliate sales, but also increase your overall influence on TikTok. Lastly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Yes, it's a paradox, but it's true. Mistakes are inevitable. They're a part of the learning process. Embrace them, learn from them, and use them to improve your strategy. Avoid these pitfalls and you're set to make killer money as a TikTok affiliate. Now go forth and conquer.